In this video, I will show you how to fix if you are getting the error where it says HVCI enabled on Valorant on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Here we are on my desktop. Now to go ahead and fix this problem, all you need to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in your taskbar at the bottom. Into the search box, what you want to do is type core isolation and then open up core isolation, which should come up underneath best match. Once you've done that, all you need to do is this section here where it says memory integrity. You want to go ahead and turn the switch off. So mine's currently off, but yours should be on. What you want to do is turn this off by simply clicking onto the switch to turn it off, and that's actually going to fix this problem. You should now be able to play Valorant. So that is how to fix the HVCI enabled error on Valorant. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.